Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your family. So if you visit my channel for the very first time, I want to tell you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. So if you also have a craze of hair fashion, then you come on a right platform. So in this platform, you can get latest hairstyles, trendy haircuts and bouncy hair dye color ideas for women's and men's both. As well as you can also get girls hair accessories ideas and hair growth remedies. So I am your hair advisor. I am telling you that which type of haircut is best for you and which type of hairstyle is trendy all over the world. So in this channel, you can get latest updates about hair trends. So I am here to present the all types of categories of hair fashion. So our goal is to inspire our viewers to believe in self-confidence and to create their own unique style across all over the categories of fashion. So here you will find the latest updates on Visual Hairstylist. So don't forget to like and share my videos and keep subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. As you know about a good hairstyle make your personality more adorable and attractive. So it is necessary to take a good haircut and good hairstyle for your personal grooming. So guys, don't skip my videos and watching till the end. If you love my today content, then do share it with other people as well as your friends and family members. So keep watching my videos and keep supporting me till the end. If you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to complete your request and bring up more new updates and more ideas for you. So you can keep in touch with me and subscribe my channel and press bell icon and enjoy my everyday content. I hope my contents are very helpful for you. You take a benefit from my videos. So guys, let's come to the main point. In this video, I am telling you about new trend which is blunt bob. As you know about that bob haircut is very trendy in 2022. Most of the girls and celebrities were inspired with these beautiful and attractive haircut. So, a blunt cut bob is a shorter hairstyle that's cut into a straight line at the ends. Bob have proven themselves to be transcending time with its endless variations. One of the more popular versions of a bob is the blunt bob because they are haircut without layers. So, a blunt haircut is a cut without layers, sleek on women who have naturally straight and fine hairs, or more textured for hair types with a bit more body. So this is one of the most famous haircut are trending this year. So now I am talking about that what face shape does a blunt bob suit. Oval face shape are the most universal for bobs, not bucket. You can do anything from blunt to short or long and it can be done on any hair type. Girls who have a thin hairs and they are worried too about that what type of haircut is best for you, a blunt bob works wonder for thin hair. One thing about the blunt bob is that it creates the illusion or more volume, which is great news for anyone with fine or thin hair. That is one of the good news also for me because I also have a thin hairs. I have a long hairs but it's very thin. So I am also very worried about that what type of haircut is best for me. But now I am very happy that blunt bob is perfect for me. So if you also have a thin hairs, don't be worried. You can easily carry this haircut and it's make your personality wonderful. So the bob is a timeless hairstyle that expected to dominate in this year to come, especially since it involves a serious chop. A sharp blunt bob is a classic style what will continue to be popular in 2022. As you can see in my video, I am sharing with you several pictures. You can take the idea from my video by watching these video and make your life easier. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and take care of yourself, and don't forget to like and share.